1 minute!
Hey, I'm gonna get running, okay?
Okay.
You have a good day at work.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Oh, come in.
Hi. Do you, want to talk to me about anything?
Like what?
Look, I know I'm your stepmom and you are an adult, but if you are doing anything unsafe online, you would talk to me about it, right?
Whoa, what the hell?
I saw, honey, I saw that you are on a swingers website.
It's a hookup app, and I'm not meeting up with anybody.
You're not?
No, I just like talking to women on there. And it's all anonymous and it's safe.
Okay, but you know that they could still find your personal information just from the pictures that you're posting. I need you to be careful, okay? Is this why you broke up with your girlfriend?
Jesus, Mom!
Okay, I know it's none of my business. I just wish that you weren't on one of these websites. I did see briefly, though, that some of these women had very flattering things to say about you.
About me?
You do have a nice one.
Oh, man.
All right, I'm not trying to embarrass you or anything, but I feel like any girl would be very impressed by the strength and size of your photograph. So, no need for any more pictures in the bathroom, okay, Pookie Bear?
I cannot believe we're having this conversation.
All right, you know what? I don't want to overstep anymore, so we'll talk more in the morning, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Love you. Mwah.
Love you too.
Good night.